Folks, so again, I was a triathlete for 20 years, and right around 1996, we started the ketogenic diet because we would go to these marathons and watch people cross the finish line, and they were really heavy. And what happened was, believe it or not, the constant training with elevated cortisol and the high carbohydrate diet was shutting off fat burning when everybody thought they had a carbohydrate load. This was the thinking back then, carbohydrate load before a race. So here are these people. In Orlando, we got like 5 different marathon groups, okay? So I love the community. They train together, they work out together, they go eat together, but they're banging down way too many carbs. So a lot of people that start the marathon training to lose weight, and they cross the finish line of a 26.2-mile run, and some of them may even be heavier.
Wow.
Then they're going, what's going on? I thought it was calories in, calories out. But folks, that isn't how the body works. And now that information is all changing in real time. And the last thing I want to do is to see a woman that wants to get back in her jeans after a pregnancy to get on the treadmill and start working out 30 hours a week when she doesn't have to. Okay, you got to learn about your physiology. Marathon training, you're not going to burn body fat, and I could show you why. In fact, I've got one on the Russ Scala YouTube channel. I got a chart of a marathon runner gaining weight and what happens physiologically. I had post-race depression. I would travel long distances. I would have low libido. So anybody that was with me says, I hate it when you race because you can't do anything. That was embarrassing. And then I ended up in a counselor's office because of all that. And I'm thinking, I feel pretty good.
Right.
I'm tan and I'm thin, but nothing else is working.
Nothing else is happening.
Folks, remember, physical, mental, and emotional stress can elevate cortisol levels, and when cortisol goes up, it could lower our feel-good chemicals, it could put fat on us. So understand the stress response to the body and Google the HPAG axis. Boom.